In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Firefox's new web apps on Windows Taskbar tabs. Firefox includes experimental features that let you explore new capabilities before they become available to everyone. One of these experimental options enables support for web apps on Windows Taskbar tabs. If you're interested in trying this feature, you can turn it on through Firefox's advanced configuration page in just a few moments. To begin, open Mozilla Firefox on your Windows computer. Once the browser has opened, click the address bar at the top of the window, type About, Config, and then press Enter on your keyboard. When you first access the advanced configuration page, Firefox may display a warning message indicating that changing advanced preferences can affect browser behavior. This is normal. Since you'll only be changing a specific setting, click the button to continue to the configuration page. After the page opens, click the search box near the top and type browser.taskbartabs.enabled. Firefox will automatically locate the preference. Look at the value displayed next to the preference. If it is already set to true, the feature is already enabled and no further changes are required. If the value is set to false, simply click the toggle button to change it from false to true. Once you've enabled the preference, close Firefox completely and then reopen the browser. Restarting Firefox ensures that the updated setting is applied correctly. After Firefox starts again, the experimental support for web apps on Windows Taskbar tabs will be enabled. Keep in mind that because this is an experimental feature, its behavior may change in future Firefox releases, and some websites or web apps may not fully support it yet. If you don't notice any changes immediately, that's normal. Some experimental features depend on additional browser updates or specific websites that are designed to work with the functionality. As Firefox continues to evolve, these features may become more polished and widely available. If you ever want to return to the default behavior, simply repeat the same steps, search for the same preference in the advanced configuration page, and toggle the value back to false. This restores Firefox's original setting. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully enabled Firefox's new web apps on Windows Taskbar tabs and can now explore this experimental feature. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,